Hi everyone, welcome to Python Learning Series on Network Engineers. In this video we'll see how to trigger email from Python for log events. This is the fifth video on logging. In the previous videos we have seen how to create handlers, file handlers, stream handler. File handler will store it into the file, the log message, and stream handlers will print it in the terminal, and how to filter the minimum log level depends on the handlers, and redirect to the respective files. All these options we have seen how to create formatter. Now here in this video we'll see how to add Gmail account for sending email for the log events. So for Gmail to support Python, what we have to do here, you need to go to the Google account settings. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you need to create another app password for Python. So you need to click on app password, and here you can see app password will let you sign into Google account from the device that doesn't support two-step verification, because our Python scripts, Python doesn't support two-step verification. So it is better to create a separate app password. Once you create it, you will get a password, and you need to store that as an environment variable and use it. It is better to use separate account for these kind of purposes. And how to set an environment variable I have explained in the previous video. So in that way you don't have to hard code the password into the script. So here you can see I already have added the variables here, mail ID and mail password. Now let's start adding the SMTP handler. If you go to the Python's logging documentation handlers, you can see SMTP handler and syntax. So logging.handlers. So let's just start adding it. So we'll import logging.handlers. Now let's create a handler here. I'll call it as SMTP handler equal to logging.handlers dot SMTP handlers, and then the syntax is mail host equal to the host is smtp.gmail.com, and the default port number is 587. Then the from address. So what you can do, because I already have environment variable here, so mail ID, and to address also, because I'm sending and receiving it from same address, either I can give that, or you can just define it as a list. There you can give the email address. Yeah. After that, the subject name, the mail subject name, I'll give it as log alert. Then the credentials I'm storing it as a variable again, so I'll give mail ID and mail password. Enter, and it is secure connection, so I just have to give that. Then we'll set the logging level to warning itself, because we'll get warning, error and critical message as an email. We'll try getting only that. So SMTP handler dot set level, and we'll set it as logging dot warning, and the format also will keep it as same, SMTP dot set formatter, and we'll keep the same format for now, and logger dot add handler. We'll add SMTP handler also here. Now let's try running the script. I think we are already having a parsing error here. We'll be generating a parsing error. Okay, let me just change this to the authentication failed message. Yeah, you can see here I have received the message saying that authentication failed. Now similar to that, let us just try simulating cannot connect to the device case. Here if I give unreachable device, we'll get a critical error message saying that unable to connect. And because my logging level for SMTP handler is warning, so it is just sending log above warning and above. That means warning, error and critical. Now let's see the critical message, because device will not be reachable. So device I have given test1. So I'm getting an email now saying that unable to connect to the device. Now let's try simulating a parsing error. Instead of show version, I'm giving show run command, and when the script applies the parsing logic, it will fail. So let's try that. So you can see the email. So we're getting all these three messages. If you set the logging level to the log, the info, then what will happen, it will start sending email for all the events. And in the next video we'll see how to run this script from backend without keeping the Python terminal open, and how to add scheduler functionality to the script so that this can run based on the schedule what we define. I'll be using this module, the schedule, this for scheduling the function, and then the script will be automatically monitoring, always monitoring the device, and it can trigger an email if any of the particular log event occurs. And I'll be using NoHub in Linux for running this from the backend without having a terminal. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.